What's up, everyone? It's Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, here with another video, and I wanted to get into this whole mode for the year of keeping my hair protected and keeping my hair in twists as much as possible. So I thought I would try one of the hair units from the company Wow African. Actually found out about this company through Google, and I checked out the site. I saw lots of pictures that I thought, you know, with the hair being hair units, looked really natural. And if you saw my previous video on my custom made hair unit, you know that I'm trying to keep my hair in protective styles this year as much as possible, and not even protective styles, but just keeping my hair from not even being out so much at all, but not wanting to do anything permanent. So just keeping my hair in twists as much as possible. So check out that video when you get a chance. But with this site, the pictures that I saw of those who, you know, have gotten some hair units from this company, they look pretty decent. So I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to get something that was going to give me a look of something that I've been trying to do with my hair for some time. It rarely was successful. Here's one of my pictures of my actual hair when I tried to get it in a style, and this is decent, but it wasn't something that happened for me on a regular basis when I tried it, and that was wearing my natural hair in a middle part. When I used to wear my hair straight back in the days of having my relaxer, I was always, if I did not have a bangs, wearing a middle part or pulling my hair back into a ponytail with the middle part. So the middle part was always my thing for a long time. So wanting to have that look, I thought I would try to get a hair unit with the middle part. And so I've never worn a lace hair unit before. This is my first time ever doing this. So you guys are going on this journey with me because this is my first time. I am a virgin lace hair unit wearer. So don't judge me too much. Keep me in your prayers, guys, as you go on this journey with me, because I'm doing this for the first time on camera. So this is the package that I got. I ordered it before Christmas and I got it in the mail. It came fairly quickly, but I actually had surgery a couple of days after Christmas, so I wasn't able to delve into it yet. So it's the new year, it's perfect timing. So now I'm getting the chance to check it out. So the packaging is really nice. The hair comes with a nice box and some care cards in the box. This is the package here. And inside they've got a thank you card, and they've got, you know, some other goodies in there. There's a couple of quote-unquote wig caps. They're flesh tone colored. There's a couple of cards, a thank you card. So yeah, instructions and things like that. And I love the little satchel bag that the hair comes in. So the hair is in a plastic bag, but they've got it in a nice little satchel bag, so that's really cute. And the hair that I got was natural color water wave Brazilian virgin hair. It's a glueless full lace hair unit. It's the number GFL 12, and I got it in 18 inches with natural color. The hair is wrapped in a net, and you can see what it looks like here. And there you see it's got that middle part there and the lace in the front, and it's got some lace in the back also. So here I go, crossing my fingers, wish me luck. So you can see I've got the hair unit here, I've got my twist out. You can see what the hair unit looks like. Just kind of gonna run my fingers through the curls a little bit just to loosen it up a little bit. And now I'm just gonna play around with my hair and the hair unit to see what fits best, to see how I'm going to wear it and make it look as natural as possible. So I've got my hair cap on, I've got a little portion of my hair showing in the front even though it's not loosened and it's not out. So now I'm just going to try this hair unit on and I'm going to play around with it a little bit, see how it's going to suit me, see where it fits best, where it sits naturally, and play around with it to get it the way I feel like it should be on my hair. So now I'm playing around with it, just kind of bouncing the curls around and getting a feel for the hair unit, getting a feel for the curls, getting a feel for what I think I will need to do to wear it naturally. Checking out the hair in the front and just playing around with it. So now I'm going to take the hair unit off and I'm going to get things adjusted and get this lace right. Time for the cuts. So I've played around with the lace and the scissors and I've gotten that all trimmed off, and now I'm going to put the hair unit on. Now that I've got the hair unit on and I've got it sitting on my hair so that it fits comfortably on me, I'm going to get it looking the way I want it to look. So now I'm just going to use my fingers to just finger fluff throughout the hair, because of course my natural curls look nothing like these ringlets, these perfect ringlets. So I'm just using my fingers like you see me doing here, and I'm just going through the curls almost individually, but not necessarily for all of them. So this is after I've fluffed it out to a state of being more fluffy and looking a little bit more natural without going to the extreme of making it really fluffy and frizzy, which is what my hair usually looks like. I mean, it's a hair unit and I'm gonna wear it for a while, so I don't want to go overboard with the fluffing out immediately. But this is after I've fluffed it out. And I've got my middle part. And just playing around with it a little bit, running my fingers through it, pulling it down a little bit more. I'm getting that look that I was going for with having a hair unit with a middle part. So I did trim some of it off. So this is the amount that I cut off of the bottom of the back because it seems to be a little bit longer in the back. So this is my first time wearing a lace hair unit, and I wanted to try out this Wild African site, and again, the service was really fast. I love the packaging. I love the curls of the hair unit. It's really pretty, and it flows really nice. So I'm happy with it. I won't be using any glue or anything like that. It's got clips on the inside, and I'm just going to wear this on occasions. But this is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. I'll have links to the company if you want to go and place an order. They're not affiliate links, so I'm not getting any money for this video. I just wanted to give it a try. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and I will see you next time sharing the Bible that is business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. And I hope you have a beautifully blessed and amazing day.